Where are we heading today?
We're going to Frankenstein.
9.
No. Palatine Frankenstein Castle. Berg.
There is no Berg in this Frankenstein Castle name.
There's something though. It's Frankenstein something. Or Berg Frankenstein.
There are 2 Frankenstein castles. There's a really super popular one in Darmstadt.
Continue straight.
And we're not going to that one. We're going to the other one. So we can just go look around. It's kind of like just like
I think this one's older.
on your own.
Yeah, this one's older. It has a graveyard, and I think it's like kind of blown up or something, falling apart.
Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see more adventures coming to castles like this.
Well, we've hit our first stau in Germany. Everyone pulls off to the side of the road so emergency vehicles can get by. And apparently people get out of their cars, although that guy just got back in.
This guy's yelling at this car because it's going ahead of everybody.
Oh, snap.
Yep.
Here it goes. Is it going?
No, he's still yelling at him.
Oh,
Call.
come on. Why would you do that? Stupid. We're not even German and we know what to do. 5 minutes stau. We're moving again. Have no idea what it was. Big stau. Other side. I would hate to be stuck in that mess.
Well, just know that we will not be coming back for a while.
We think we can park here.
Hopefully we can. We don't get towed.
No, they'll just give us a ticket. Oh no, they will tow us. They just take your car.
Genius, I'm a genius. I'm just a genius.
They just take it. It's really pretty.
We can't park here.
It's right up there on the corner around the bend. We're not taking that route. Because he says no.
Yeah, I say no. We're gonna go the other route.
There it is. It's like a big old rock right now. It gets better.
Random little houses. Huh?
Is this a racer?
Oh, here he is. This is Herbie the Love Bug from back in the day.
That's cool.
Herbie.
The subway.
I mean, that's a pretty cool little view from like their people's houses. Alright, now we have to go up that big hill. Nice little water. Little river here.
Looks dirty to me.
Huh?
I said it looks dirty to me.
All of Dr. Frankenstein's chemicals flow through there. You hear the bells on the goats. Michael Hoffman von Frankenstein. And this is the big, probably the city of Frankenstein. I think they might have dug this one back up.
I think they did.
Yeah.
Let's not look over
Poor
here.
plants.
Look at that one. That's a cool, like, that's like a
That
big
one's
rock.
really cool. They're so well cared for and taken care of.
All right, let's go. We're going up to the castle.
Our typical uphill climb. Always. Okay, so
The castle's up there. But where's the castle?
we're there.
We're right there, that big red
So we're
spot.
gonna go up here and around and we'll get to the castle.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, but you have to watch out for the giant ant that lives up there. Because the giant ant can come down and get us.
Carry on.
Carry on. Look at that beaver.
Oh, beaver.
Beaver tried to chew through that wood. Well, first flight of the drone went a little, went good, but trying to catch it, cut myself. Almost cut the tip of my finger off. What do you think? Almost? Once again, tourist trap.
Ooh, look at that.
That's where we were at. Lots of people here.
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna be able to throw your drone up here.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Well,
We can go back down to the church.
you can always go back down there and throw it up here. This hurts a little bit. A lot of Americans there.
Yep.
So it's kind of a tourist trap. Which is kind of surprising because it's after Halloween, was it the weekend after Halloween, so.
Soft grass. Very soft.
Oh well, had a good time. Alright, so that's a wrap on the town of Frankenstein. Make sure that you like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more adventures like this from us.
And the most exciting news, Christopher got a new GoPro yesterday, and he hasn't even taken the stickers off
In
of it yet.
200 meters, continue straight.
So it'll be fun to see how that works.
Alright, so that's a wrap on the town of Frankenstein. Just make sure that you like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to see more adventures just like this. Thanks. Once again, get a hankering for a smoke going up to the old castle. This one looks like an older one. Look at these. These are like little people. Little people. Holding it up. That's a wrap on the